Hello all. Today I want to discuss a very important aspect, that is challenges faced by the UPSC aspirants during their preparation. Lot of problems they face during the phase of preparation after 2 years or 3 years. That particular aspect I am going to discuss in this particular session. The need of the hour. The need of the hour is, if you see the UPSC prelims question paper, if you see the UPSC mains question paper, most of the questions are from NCERT. So we thought that the need of the hour is strong basics, strong foundation. For that strong foundation, we are coming up with a bridge course which is called as NCERT Bridge Course. In this particular course, we are going to discuss about complete conceptual coverage of NCERT course, multi-dimension, all aspects, all dimensions, social, political, economical, cultural, environmental, all the dimensions of the NCERTs will be covered in this particular NCERT foundation course. Don't think that this is the same NCERT course of any other place, but it is not such. We want to give you the clarity on the NCERT subjects. That is the course all about, which we are starting from March 28th, 2022. A dedication session, a dedicated sessions for each subject which we will be covering in this particular NCERT course. Indian polity and constitution, which is there in the NCERT books, from 6th class to 12th class we will be providing in this particular session. And I will be taking care about Indian polity and constitution. History and culture will be taken care by the Rasul sir, and geography and environment by the Vijay sir, as well as Indian economy by the Spuran Reddy sir, science and technology by Satish sir. Very dedicated team for the dedicated NCERT. We are coming up from 6th to 12th class. All the NCERTs will be covered from 6th to 12th class. If you attend this session, you no need to worry about your NCERTs. We will be taking the classes and we will be providing you the summaries of each class also, what is important for your preparation point of view in order to build up your basics and foundation. Familiarizing technical terms and concepts of each subject. The terms like what is the committed judiciary, committed bureaucracy, what is constitutional morality, the words which are there in the NCERT are reciprocated or reproduced in the UPSC prelims and mains examination. Those exclusive terms are caught, we count it, and we will be explaining those terms. Nearly we will be covering 300 to 400 terms, meanings we will be providing from NCERTs in understandable way with the proper examples. Innovative coverage of concepts from all the basic books of UPSC with utmost importance given to NCERTs. So, NCERTs, and in history, for example, we will be focusing on Tamil Nadu. So, it is like an bow and arrow ceremony whereby we will be targeting what type of topics, what type of books, what type of content you have to read, and we will be providing the same in our particular NCERT course, my dear students. Effective mode of teaching with examples, with case studies, with proper pedagogy. We are the institute, we will be focusing on the pedagogy also, not just delivery of topics. It will be never be a one-sided classes, it will be interactive classes. The best effective model by maps, by pictorial schemes, by discussions, we will be explaining. All round classes will be happening in this particular GS NCERT Bridge course. Continuous progress evaluation, 10 tests you will be having of NCERT books. 10 tests we will be conducting in between every Sunday. Why? Because the course is for 2 months. In 2 months we are coming across 10 Sundays. 10 Sundays you will be having the tests on NCERT books, prelims as well as answer writing point of view, mains point of view. Daily answer writing practice will be there. Daily we will be giving you the questions on our NCERTs which we discussed in our classrooms. So, daily answer writing practice and 10 tests which are mains oriented as well as prelims oriented. My dear students, combination not 10 prelims and 10 mains with respect to the NCERT. Mains means answer writing tests. So, the batch is going to start from 28th March 2022. You won't believe, outside the same course is 10,000, we are going to provide you with 85% of the discount. The fees is 1250 rupees. 1250 rupees, the course is going to be for 2 months. The highest rated faculties are going to take the classes. 1250 rupees is the course fee, and GST is 250. Here we have gave our GST number also. For the 250, if you give the input also, if you want the GST, we will be giving the input also, so that you can get your 250 rupees also. So the genuine classes, the honest classes for GS NCERT course is going to start from March 28th. Don't delay. Again I am repeating, it is for 1250 rupees. 250 rupees for the government, GST 18%. Overall it is 1500 rupees course. It is for 2 months. Duration is 2 months. Every day you will be having the classes. Of a proper complete schedule will be provided to you in our 2 months of course. And validity is 6 months. Recorded videos will be provided in our app for 6 months validity. So you can watch it, you can rewatch it. This is our program all about with respect to GS NCERT batch. Get an insight into some of the popular optional courses and decide accordingly. In this particular sessions, for our students, we will be giving information on all the options, not one option, so that they will be getting a proper idea which optional they have to choose all about. This is our GS NCERT batch, which is going to commence from 28th March. All the best. I believe that everyone will enroll, and 2023 is going to be your rank year. All the best. Jai Hind.